morning. Today I had grand plans of packing everything onto my gravel bike and doing an overnight bikepacking trip down to Kangaroo Valley. However, weather forecast told me there were going to be 45k an hour headwinds for the first 60 kilometers of the ride. Now, I'm a little soft and didn't fancy riding into that for so long. So instead, I've got the camera, got my big lens on, and I'm just going to go for a walk in the Royal National Park and see if I can find some birds. Come along and we'll see what we find. I have no idea what this bird is in here, but given how little wildlife I've seen today, it's worth stopping to take photos of all of them. Just on my way back to the car after being mildly disappointed about not finding too much wildlife on the 5k walk that I did, walking along and hear something scuttle off to the side. As I stopped and had a look, there's this little lizard who had run off the side of the track but has now come back on to sit in the sun again. It seems to have gotten brave. There's been a couple of groups of people walk past and it's still just sat there in the sun. Almost back at the car, and the unmistakable sound of a kookaburra sat up in a tree just kind of watching over everything.